Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade using the desktop version of the IX Broker trading platform. In this video, you will learn how to search for trading instruments, place market and pending orders, manage your open positions, modify stop loss and take profit levels, and close your trades. Let's get started. Step 1. Searching for a trading instrument. After logging into the IX platform, go to the home page. Use the search bar to enter the trading symbol you would like to trade. Click on the desired instrument to open its price chart. To place a trade, click on the Buy or Sell button. Step 2. Selecting the order type. In the order window, first select whether you want to open a buy or sell position. Then select your preferred order type. Market order, an order that is executed immediately at the current market price. Pending order, an order placed at a specific price level selected by you. It will only be executed when the market price reaches the specified level. Step 3. Selecting the trading volume. Select your desired trading volume from the drop-down menu. As you adjust the volume, the platform will automatically display important information, including trade value, required margin. This information allows you to review the amount of capital involved in the trade before submitting your order. Step 4. Setting stop loss and take profit. To manage your risk more effectively, you can enable stop loss and take profit. These levels can be set based on different parameters, including profit or loss amount, price level, percentage of your account balance. After configuring your desired settings, click Buy or Sell to submit your order. Once the order has been placed, the details of your trade will be displayed directly on the chart. Step 5. Managing open positions. After your order has been executed, click on the upward arrow located at the bottom left section of the platform or click on the relevant panel to expand it. Here, you will find the following tabs: Open Positions, Pending Orders, Closed Positions. Under Open Positions, you can view all your currently active trades. By selecting a position, you can view its details including order ID, swap, trading commission, net profit or loss. The net profit or loss represents the overall result of your trade, including the applicable commission. If necessary, you can also modify your stop loss and take profit levels. After making your changes, click Update to save them. Step 6. Modifying trades directly from the chart. You can also manage your trades directly from the chart. To do this, click on the eye icon next to the position to display the trade on the chart. Once the position is displayed, you can simply drag the stop loss or take profit lines to your desired price levels. Finally, confirm the changes to update your position. Step 7. Closing a position. There are two ways to close an open position. You can select the position directly from the chart and specify the amount of volume you would like to close. Alternatively, go to the Open Positions section and click the X icon next to the position you want to close. If partial closing is available, you can specify the desired volume before confirming the transaction. Step 8. Viewing closed positions. After a position has been closed, its information will be available under Closed Positions. Here, you can review the complete details of your closed trades, including order ID, closing reason, profit or loss, trading commission. This section provides you with a complete history of your closed positions. Step 9. One-click trading. The one-click trading feature allows you to open trades instantly without requiring an additional confirmation in less than 1 second. How to enable one-click trading. At the top of the chart, enable the one-click trading option. Once activated, the button will be displayed in blue. Next, select your desired trading volume from the drop-down menu. After selecting the instrument and trading volume, simply click Buy or Sell to execute the order immediately. After the position has been opened, you can adjust the stop loss and take profit levels directly from the chart by dragging the corresponding lines to your desired price levels and confirming the changes. Important note: when one-click trading is enabled, every click on the Buy or Sell button will immediately send an order without displaying an additional confirmation window. Therefore, always make sure that you have selected the correct trading instrument and volume before clicking Buy or Sell. How to disable one-click trading. If you prefer to see an order confirmation window before placing each trade, simply disable the one-click trading option. Step 10. Trading directly from the chart. The IX trading platform also allows you to place trades directly from the chart. To do this, move your mouse cursor to the desired price level on the chart. Then, click the plus icon located on the price scale on the right-hand side of the chart. Next, select whether you want to open a buy or sell position. The platform will create the order based on the selected price level, allowing you to execute trades directly from the chart with greater speed and precision. The desktop version of the IX trading platform provides a comprehensive set of trading tools that allow you to search for trading instruments, place market and pending orders, set stop loss and take profit levels, manage open positions, modify trades directly from the chart, review your closed positions and trade details, use one-click trading for faster execution, place trades directly from the chart. By becoming familiar with these features, you can manage your trades more efficiently, accurately, and effectively, and enjoy a more professional trading experience on the IX Basic platform. Thank you for watching.